Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to sign into your Plex application on your mobile device. If you'd like to access your media on your mobile device, the Plex app makes it easy. This tutorial will walk you through how to sign in step by step, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, go ahead and download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. In the welcome screen of Plex, to sign into your existing account, tap on the Sign In button at the bottom menu. Now click the Continue button to end up in the Login section. It'll take you to app.plex.tv website, from where you can select your sign-in options. Make sure to choose the same way that you previously chose while creating an account for Plex. Since I previously created an account from email option, I'm gonna do the same. Click on Continue with email. But you can go ahead and sign in with your Google or Apple account if you've done so previously. In the username or email tab, go ahead and type down your email address associated with your Plex account. Once you type it down, go to the next field where it says password. Type down your correct password for your Plex account. If you don't remember the password, click the Forgot link and follow through the reset process. But if you do, you can write it down and tap on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you will be logged in to your Plex account. So that is how you easily sign into your existing Plex account using the Plex application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.